If you're looking to run interactive webinars, Livestorm is one of the best tools out there. And today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use Livestorm for your next event. Whether you're hosting a product demo, a Q&A, or a full-on training session, Livestorm's features make your webinars feel engaging and professional. Stick around, because I'll share some of the software's hidden features that can really set your webinars apart. Livestorm is known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it perfect for anyone new to hosting webinars. The first thing you'll need to do is sign up, and the good news is you can try Livestorm for free. You'll find a link to grab this exclusive free trial below, along with some bonuses to kickstart your journey. So if you're new to Livestorm, make sure you check that out before we dive deeper. Once you've logged in, the next step is to create a webinar. You can do this by simply clicking on the Create Webinar button. Here, you'll get a few options for customization, including the type of event. You can choose between a live webinar or an automated one, which is a great option if you're looking to save time while still providing value. I highly recommend using Livestorm for live events, as it gives you the ability to interact with your audience in real time, and we'll get into that shortly. Next up, let's talk about the webinar setup. Livestorm has an intuitive interface, which means you don't have to worry about complicated settings. You can add details like the webinar title, date, and description. Make sure your description is clear so your audience knows exactly what to expect. From there, you can design your registration page. Livestorm allows you to fully customize this page with your branding, colors, and logos, so it feels professional and aligned with your business. Now, here's where things get really interactive. Livestorm allows you to engage with your audience in a few different ways. You can enable live chat, which is essential for answering questions and keeping the conversation flowing. You can even run polls during the webinar to keep your audience engaged and get real-time feedback. This is perfect for making your webinars feel more like a two-way conversation rather than just a lecture. Another great feature is the ability to share your screen. Whether you're showcasing a presentation, a demo, or a tutorial, you can easily share your screen with just one click. Livestorm also gives you the option to stream video content in HD quality, so your audience will always have a clear view of what you're presenting. But it doesn't stop there. Livestorm also has powerful analytics. After your webinar, you'll get detailed reports about attendee engagement, which is crucial for improving future sessions. You can see who joined, how long they stayed, and even how they interacted with your content. These insights are vital for fine-tuning your approach and ensuring that your next webinar is even more successful. One of the coolest things about Livestorm is its integrations. It works seamlessly with tools like Google Analytics, CRM systems, and email marketing platforms. This makes it easy to track your leads and automate your follow-up emails. Now, to wrap up, if you're interested in running professional interactive webinars that actually engage your audience, Livestorm is the perfect tool. You can use it for free from the link below, and remember, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you when you sign up. Don't miss out on that extended free trial. I know you'll find Livestorm to be an invaluable asset for your digital marketing efforts. So that's it. If you want to elevate your webinars to the next level, Livestorm is the tool for you. Get started today and take advantage of that exclusive offer. Thanks for watching, and happy webinar hosting.